Alright guys, we take this trade because nakita natin dito nag-break dito nag-break yung RSI dito. So nag-take tayo ng trade dito, nag-place tayo dito. So yan, in profit na yung trade natin ngayon ng $14 at 13. So kaya lang muna natin tong trade na to since short target lang naman dito 30 pips lang, 304 points. Yung asset is KGPY tayo. Hopefully ma-hit yung TP nito. So that's all for now for this early Asian session trade. Thank you for watching.